get it on. Back on this. So now that that's all fixed, I can put the exhaust hanger back on. And we're going to install. Got the rest of this out, so that was in there like that, but they had the old sleeve on it, so that was back here. I got one more to get off. It's on this side, so you're not gonna be able to see this one, but I should be able to just turn it and hopefully knock it out like I just did the other one. That's good. Let's try a deep well. There it is. It's out. So that piece is in. This piece is about to go on, so I just put it on, and now I'm just kind of. So we got that hanger on, that piece. And we can start putting the hardware all together. We're watching. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. Take this. Make sure we don't drop all of it. Slide this forward on the hanger. Oh, okay. So, all goes in like that. Now, kind of makes sense to me. Put this in there a little more. Something. Oh, washer, sleeve. Let's leave another. Can't see this one. It's side. Hurts the thumb. Let's see. Aha! I'm trying to free up this hanger. It's stuck on the crusty stuff, so I can slide it back and then get this going there. Which this exhaust is by MBRP. Perfect fit. I had no issues at all. Everything clears perfectly. Hangers going just the way they should. like they slip into the hangers. So on this system, the MBRP system, it has a 2-piece tailpipe, which is much easier. So that slips into there. You just slip everything into the hangers, connect all the pipes, you know, loosely. This was probably the hardest hanger because it was completely seized up on the mount, so I had to break that all loose. And then once I got that to move, it was a piece of cake. And then after you get everything together, you know, loosely, double check the fitment of everything, make sure it all clears, which it does, and then cinch it all together. Here, I can show you. See, it's like just the right amount of clearance, which is how the stock system is. And it just goes down there like that, and then you just tighten it all up, and then you're done.